Here is the good news of the day. India has completed over 6 crore inoculations ever since the drive started on the 16th of January. Apart from that, India is taking a lead in equitable distribution of the vaccine outside the country. 1.2 million doses of the vaccine were given to Bangladesh as a goodwill gesture. India has also sent 2 lakh doses of the vaccine to UN peacekeeping missions outside of the country. This obviously is going to go a long way in helping the peacekeepers deliver in hostile environments. Here is the bad news of the day when it comes to the pandemic. There is a horrible sense of deja vu in the state of Maharashtra, where night curfew has started once again from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. There are restrictions in public gatherings as well. Theatres are functioning with 50% capacity, and there is a limit to the number of people who can gather in outdoor spaces and indoor spaces. The positivity rate also in Maharashtra is at a high of 22.78% as compared to the national average of just about 5%. Here is the ugly news of the day when it comes to the pandemic, and this has got to be about the COVIDiots. In Vrindavan, there were pictures of people celebrating Holi, throwing caution to the wind. In fact, they also visited temples and had gathered in huge groups, obviously throwing all the protocol out the window. None of the protocol about masking up, social distancing was being followed by any of the people who were celebrating Holi. Similar pictures were seen from Lucknow in a hotel in Gomti Nagar, where a similar party for Holi was going on. There were celebrations. Eventually, the police had to raid that party because COVID protocol was not being followed. Also in Rajasthan, there was a Holi celebration in which a Congress MLA had taken part in, and COVID protocol was thrown out of the window even in these celebrations, where none of the people who were celebrating Holi were wearing masks or were social distancing. Basically, violation of every single rule that we are expected to follow, given the fact that we still are in the pandemic and things are only getting worse in the country.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.